your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like your brilliant ideas are just floating in the void? You have a problem, you have some thoughts, but how do you get from that fuzzy feeling to a concrete plan anyone can actually review and build upon? That is the gap we are filling. So what exactly is this magic box? Think of it as your personal offline innovation command center. It is not just another brainstorming tool, it is a structured workbench. Its superpower? Taking those vague, swirling, inventive problems and anchoring them firmly in a purpose-driven semantic space. We are talking about connecting the dots between raw problem statements and detailed semantic ledgers, using purpose contracts to define goals, mapping contradictions, applying DIKWP transformation routes, leveraging TRIZ principles, and even running simulations with incomplete, inconsistent, or imprecise data, the messy reality of early-stage innovation. It is about making the invisible visible. Okay, cool features, but why should you care? Here's the kicker. First, it tackles the biggest headache, fuzzy problems. It forces you to translate vague notions into a clear semantic ledger, moving from metadata to defined purpose. Second, it cleverly links TRIZ classic contradiction analysis with the DIKWP framework. Suddenly, that annoying cost-performance conflict isn't just a technical issue, it's a mismatch in goals, resources, or evaluation criteria that you can trace through the system. Third, and this is huge for real-world innovation, it thrives on uncertainty. It handles incomplete, inconsistent, and imprecise inputs head-on, keeping all assumptions and evidence gaps visible. No more hiding behind a single confident answer when the truth is murky. It embraces the messiness. How does this alchemy actually happen? It follows a logical flow. You start with your problem input, which gets immediately structured into a DIKWP semantic ledger. Then you define your purpose contract, essentially stating what success looks like. This feeds into a contradiction map, identifying the clashes. Next, the system guides you through a DIKWP 5x5 transformation route, suggesting ways to shift perspectives. TRIZ principles are then matched to these transformations. Crucially, it runs a 3-no simulation, testing ideas against incomplete, inconsistent, and imprecise conditions. Finally, it generates proposals and allows for an evidence review, resulting in a reusable innovation report. The whole process makes your innovation journey expressible, traceable, and verifiable. So where can you unleash this power? Everywhere. Use it in courses, workshops, patent ideation sessions, or even enterprise consulting. Its greatest strength is providing a common language across different fields while keeping the entire evidence chain intact. Go check out the open source project right now. Start building your own semantic innovation workflows.